Here at Rosedene, we take in people's unwanted dogs. We rehabilitate them and give them the best possible chance we can at getting them a new home.
My name's Tanya Burgess and this is my business partner Akil Burgess.
Hi.
We come over to Rosedene regularly and we rehabilitate the dogs. So what we've done, we've left it around to show him that's okay. And you leave them to go through that process, yeah? And psychologically it's better. If you stop them in the middle of a prey kill, it's worse for them because then the mind still stays there. So you've got to let them go through it. So this exercise helps them. What we really look at is the safety to the public, to the dog, to the handler. And what we do is a process of rehabilitation, but we look at where the dog is, look at the concerns the handler says the dog has, and coach the handler so that they could be more confident in taking the dog out, meeting new dogs in new environments. So it's getting the dog ready for the outside world. And if there are any concerns, then we'll work on it on a one-to-one.
We have lots of different breeds here that are all looking for their forever homes. If you think you could give a Rosedene dog a forever home, please don't hesitate to call us.